Let's open this big bad boy up and see what's in here. I've been talking about my monk fruit and erythritol sweetener so much in my group that I decided I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So what I actually did is that I reached out to a couple companies that I really like, and I asked them if they could send me some product to do an unboxing video to show my viewers. And it's most of the products I've been using already, but I got a couple new products that I hadn't tried yet. If you want to see what's in this big box, then keep watching. Look how big it is. This is really a huge box. I didn't expect this. I'm not sponsored in any way, but I did reach out to them and ask them to send me some product because I love the company and I just wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. See, I already had the Keto Test Strips from So Nourished, so pretty cool. I've used their stuff before. I use these to test the ketones in my body to see if I'm in ketosis. So they're not sponsoring me. I'm not getting anything from it. They just sent me the product because I asked them to. And this is much more generous than I expected. I thought I was just gonna get 2 little packs of sweetener, but they sent me all this stuff. So thank you so much to So Nourished for sending me this stuff. The first one that I'm going to look at is here. It says So Nourished, powered by keto. So obviously they're a keto company, and it says at So Nourished, we strive to promote the low carb, high fat way of life. We're proud to be at the forefront of the nutritional enlightenment. As far as I understand from their website, because I've been using their products and they have the keto strips and stuff like that, they're definitely like 100% supporting of keto. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you each of the products individually, and then I'm gonna read a little bit about the specs on the actual packaging, and then you can see kind of which one that you want the most. It says 1 cup of sugar equals 1 cup of monk fruit and erythritol blend. So if you see the measurements there, the ratio for this one, as you can see at the top, is 1 cup of sugar equals 1 cup of monk fruit and erythritol blend. Then on the packaging from So Nourished, it says this is the granular sugar up here. And it says 0 calorie, all natural sweetener, tastes like sugar, gluten-free, 0 net carbs, vegan, non-GMO, and low glycemic impact. Their tagline here is as sweet as sugar and 100% guilt-free. I really like their packaging. I like the feeling of sugar when you know it's not sugar and you know it's good for you. So let's see what it says on the back. It says 0 net carbs. Monk fruit comes from Southeast Asia and contains natural sweetness, hundreds of times that of sugar. It contains 0 calories and has no harmful side effects. Erythritol is a mild sugar alcohol derived from fruits and plants. We combine them to make a sweetener that's just as sweet as sugar, but totally guilt-free. Tastes like sugar, bakes like sugar, gluten-free, tooth-friendly. I've never heard that before, that's awesome. 0 net carbs, vegan, non-GMO, low glycemic impact, suitable for diabetics, natural sweetener, and 0 calories. And it says here, our monk fruit and erythritol blend is 0 net carbs. It does not affect blood sugar and has a glycemic index of 0. Directions for use. Add our sweetener to foods and beverages as you would sugar. Can be used for all cooking and baking needs. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. And then they have a free 10 keto desserts ebook if you go on the website, and it's made in Albany, New York. So that's the first one. It looks like they gave me 1 big one and 1 little one for each of their products. So that's super, super cute. Wow, there's 4 massive products in here. So the second one is here. This one is monk fruit and erythritol blend, but it's a powdered version instead. So the other one was granular and this one was powdered. In terms of what it says on the back, it's all the same stuff as the other one. And yeah, guilt-free, as sweet as sugar and 100% guilt-free. So everything that I just read on the other label is the same for this one. 1 cup of sugar equals 1 cup of monk fruit and erythritol blend. So same specs on this one, same nutritional value. So same nutritional value, they're both 4 grams of carbs, but the carbs come from sugar alcohol, so they're both 0 net carbs. And then I got the little one too. So I think this would be really good. I'm gonna try some recipes for these for you guys eventually as well. But obviously, as you can see from the front, you can make some frosting with these if you're making keto cupcakes. So I would say if you're making like keto cupcakes, you use the granular sugar to replace granular sugar, and you use the powder sugar to replace powder sugar in frosting and stuff like that. Okay, so the next 2 are also granular and powder, but it's 100% natural erythritol. So this one says 1 cup of sugar is 1 1/3 cup of erythritol. So a little bit more of this one needed to match the 1 cup of sugar. It says it tastes and bakes like confectioner's sugar. So again, tastes like sugar, gluten-free, net carbs, zero, vegan, non-GMO, low glycemic impact. It's the granular one. If you turn it around, it says erythritol is a mild sugar alcohol derived from fruits and plants. It has a glycemic index of 0 and does not promote tooth decay. Use erythritol in cooking and baking just as you would sugar. A little tooth-friendly logo here, so it doesn't promote any tooth decay. And it says erythritol is 0 net carbs. It is a sugar alcohol which does not affect blood sugar and has a glycemic index of 0. So same concept here. Directions for use: add erythritol to foods and beverages as you would sugar. Can be used for all cooking and baking needs. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. So again, same thing with this one. 4 grams of carbs, but it's a sugar alcohol, so it equals out to 0 net carbs. And look, I got a little one of this too. So the big bag is 1.14 kilograms, 40 ounces, and the little bags are all 454 grams, which is 16 ounces. So I got one of each. Last but not least, it's the exact same thing as the other one, but that was granular and this one's powdered. So same everything on the back. 1 cup of sugar is 1 1/3 cup of erythritol. And it's suitable for diabetics, tastes like sugar, bakes like sugar, gluten-free, tooth-friendly, 0 net carbs, vegan, non-GMO, low glycemic impact, natural sweetener, 0 calories. Same thing here, 4 grams of carbs per serving, 4 grams of sugar alcohols, so it nets out to 0 carbs as well. So that's this one here. And of course, I got the little one too, which is cool. So I'm gonna set them all up here and show you everything that I got. This is super cool. I just reached out to this company called So Nourished. I always use their products in my baking and everything like that. I've been linking it in my videos already. And I asked them to send me a couple products so I could do an unboxing video. And they went way out of their way and sent me so many things here with the little and the big packages. That's super, super generous. You guys didn't need to send this much, but thank you so much. I'm gonna be making so many cooking videos and so many dessert videos with these. I really have been preaching for a long time to tell all my friends and family to quit sugar because sugar is so harmful. I quit sugar almost a year ago, and you don't miss sugar at all because there are replacements like So Nourished that you can use that taste exactly like sugar without having the harmful effects that sugar does have. So I'm a huge advocate, as you guys know, since I've been posting so many videos about these types of sweeteners. This is my first unboxing. It's just so exciting to me because I've been trying to spread awareness to make people quit sugar because it's so harmful and it's bad for your hormones and it's bad for your brain and it's bad for your teeth, it's bad for your health. And there are so many options like this that are out there, and these actually taste so good since I've been using them for a while and linking them in my videos. And it's 0 net carbs and it doesn't affect your blood sugar. So people who are diabetic can use these. It's amazing. Of course, everything has a price tag, but the thing is, at the same time, if you want to compromise, you either have to be unhealthy and eat sugar, or you can quit sugar, use sweetener, and be healthy. It'll have a little bit of a price tag attached to it because obviously these are not the cheapest thing. But what's more expensive? If you want to have sugar, then you're gonna have to get something like this. It's much better than the toxic effects of actual sugar. So you have 2 options. Either you get this or you stick to normal sugar. If you stick to normal sugar, you'll have health problems down the line. If you get this, maybe it's gonna make a little dent in your budget, but your health problems down the line when you have a lot of illnesses caused by sugar, including teeth cleanings and stuff that are extremely expensive to get rid of all the cavities and the tooth decay caused by sugar, then you get to decide what's more expensive. I'll put all the links down below to each one of these products. This is a short-term investment. These packages will last a long time. I always used to get the tiny one, and this would last me a really long time. I got all my friends and family switched onto this monk fruit and erythritol blend. So you just put it in your tea, your coffee, any type of sweets that you're making. Anytime you need sugar, if you need sugar in cooking, just use this. It's much more beneficial to you in the long run. I'm not sponsored by So Nourished in any way. However, they did send the product to me for free when I asked them to because I reached out to them. I don't get paid by So Nourished, but I do have an Amazon affiliates account, which means that if you guys do want to support me, if you use the links down below to purchase anything from Amazon, whether it's these sweeteners that I love or anything else, if you click through my Amazon link and do whatever purchases you want, I do get a tiny commission for that, so I really appreciate that. Since I've been making videos every day when I get home from work, and I've been editing them and making thumbnails and trying to keep you guys as motivated as I can this whole process. If you guys are looking for a sweetener and a sugar substitute that's keto and healthy, This is the one that I've been using the most. So it's the granular one that is monk fruit and erythritol blend. This is the one that I personally use. I have not tried these two yet at all, and I've tried this powdered one as well. So this is the one that's the most similar to sugar in my opinion. So if you're doing a clean switch from sugar to this, I would go with the monk fruit and erythritol blend. So again, I'll put the links down below. You're welcome to buy it. And if you buy it through my link, I definitely appreciate that. And I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for some more cooking videos and some dessert videos and recipe videos that are keto. The best thing that I've ever done in my life was quitting sugar. Not even that hard because there are so many options out there like this. So just quit sugar. If you want to listen to me and do one beneficial thing this year, I highly recommend quitting sugar. That's the biggest factor that had to do with my weight loss journey, is the decision that I made when I went keto, because I'm OMAD, but I also went keto, which meant that I had to quit sugar. And it's the best decision I've ever made because it's the first time that I stopped the binge eating habit that I used to binge a lot. And there's so many alternatives like this that you're not going to be missing sugar at all. I'll make another video about this, but if you eat too much sugar, it actually messes with your leptin and ghrelin, so it stops the feeling of feeling full. That's why you can keep binging endlessly on actual table sugar, because you never feel full. So you can eat a box of cookies and ice cream and I don't know, moon cakes and Twinkies and whatever you want to eat. It blocks the hormone that's supposed to make you feel full. So if you're still eating sugar, that's why you can eat so many massive amounts of sugar and consume so many calories. Binging habit will start to be eliminated once you start making your own desserts like this, because you don't have an endless amount that are at a easy reach at the grocery store. And it's going to teach you the proportions of sugar to put. I usually put like half of what the recipe tells me to put in these, even though it says it's 1-to-1, but those things are too sweet for me anyway. I'm also gonna make another unboxing video for another sweetener that I like as well. So this is the first one that I really like. It's available in the US and Canada. I'm not sure about other countries, but I know for sure I'll put the US and the Canadian links down below. I hope you guys liked my video. I'll see you guys next time. Quit sugar, you got this. It's the best decision you'll ever make. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. If you guys didn't already, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like button, the comment button, the alert button. All the buttons you could possibly hit if you want to support my channel, if you like my video content. And if you haven't joined the Fast Forward to Health Accountability group yet, it's a Facebook group that we have online to hold each other accountable for our intermittent fasting, water fasting, any type of weight loss, OMAD, keto, etc. So the group is why do I always say that? Facebook.com/groups/fastforwardtohealth. I'll put the link down below. You can join that. If you don't have Facebook, you can still be part of our email list. If you want to join that to get our challenge calendars, like our water fasting challenge, exercise challenge, OMAD challenge, etc., then just send me an email at fastforwardtohealth@gmail.com. I'll add you to the emailing list. I'll see you guys next time.